morning children. How are you? Are you reading anything? So today social studies lesson number 2 we will do. First lesson we have completed. Do you remember? Are you reading the lesson? Yes. What is the name of the first lesson we have done? Yes. Earth and its neighboring countries, right? And now today lesson number 2 we will do. What is that? Globe and maps. The globe and maps. Yes. What is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. What is a globe? It is a model of the earth. Is it possible to read the earth at a time? It is very difficult, isn't it not? Because it is very big and we are very small. So that is why to read about the earth very clearly, globes are made. Globes are very small in size but exactly same that of the earth. Yes, that means a globe is a model of the earth. Yes. So this earth, the globe, it have a two poles. See, here it is a rounding shape. The globe, it has north pole and south pole. Two ends it have. North pole and south pole. Two ends it have. So the top of the globe, see, this is the globe. Are you seeing? This is the globe. And which color is more? Blue color is more. That means the blue color is water and the green color, are you seeing? Yes. The green color is a land part. Okay. So this globe, just a model of the earth, which is very small in size, which is easy for us to read about the places. Okay. The globe has two ends. See, this is the top of the globe is one end and bottom of the globe is one more end. These two ends are called poles. The top of the globe is pole. This pole is called as a north pole and the bottom of the globe it is called as a south pole. So these two poles are connected with a line, imaginary line, which is passing through the middle of the or the center of the globe called axis. Which is called passing through the middle of the Are you seeing? So the globe have the two poles, north side, the north pole, and the bottom of the globe is south pole. These two poles are connected with a line called axis. It is an imaginary line passing through the middle of the globe or center of the globe, which we cannot see it. But these two are connected with a line called axis. Yes. And now an imaginary line which is passing through the middle of the globe is called equator. Equator. Yes. Suppose this is a globe. The line passing through the middle of the globe is a 0 degree latitude and it is called as equator. So that 0 degree latitude which is passing through the middle of the globe is called equator and it is dividing the globe into two equal halves. It is dividing the globe into two equal halves. So from the equator to the north pole is called northern hemisphere and from the equator to the south pole is called as a southern hemisphere. So from the equator, the latitudes, too many imaginary lines passing through around the globe are called latitudes or parallels. Latitudes are parallels. Many imaginary lines parallel to the equator passing around the globe are called latitudes. These latitudes keep on decreasing in their size when they are moving towards the poles. Yes? when they are moving towards the poles, gradually they keep on decreasing. So from equator to the north pole and from the equator to the south pole. Yes. So from equator to the north pole, there are 90 latitudes. How many latitudes are there? 90 latitudes. So 90 latitudes are there. From equator to the south pole, they have 90 latitudes. Yes, from equator to the south pole, how many latitudes are there? 90. So total, how many latitudes are there on the globe? 180. Yes, 90 plus 90. So 180 latitudes are there. So from the equator to the north pole 90 latitudes, from the equator to the south pole 90 latitudes, total latitudes are 180 latitudes are there. Yes, among these 180 latitudes, 7 latitudes are very important. 7 latitudes are very important. Let us read about those 7 latitudes. Okay? Let us read about those important 7 latitudes. Now here see everybody, important latitudes. 0 degree latitude. So 0 degree latitude which is dividing the globe into 2 equal halves. Isn't it now? So this 0 degree latitude is called as equator. It is very, very important one. Yes? This equator is dividing the globe into 2 equal halves. So northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Right. So this 0 degree latitude, it is called equator. Second one is 23.5 degree north latitude. See here, 23.5 degree north latitude. It is also very important. It is called as a topic of Cancer. What it is called? Topic of Cancer. 23.5 degree. So that line is called as a topic of Cancer. And topic of Cancer, and come to the south, 23.5 degree south latitude. 23.5 degree south latitude. It is called as topic of Capricorn. What it is called? Topic of Capricorn. Yes. So topic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree. Next one, 66.5 degree north latitude. 66.5 degree north latitude. It is called as Arctic Circle. What it is called? Arctic Circle. See, are you seeing? Arctic Circle. It is in the north. So that is 66.5 degree north latitude. It is called as a Arctic Circle. So now next one is 66.5 degree south latitude. 66.5 degree south latitude. So it is called as a topic of Capricorn. What it is called? Topic of Capricorn. Remember, 66.5 degree south latitude. It is called as a topic of Capricorn. Next one, 90 degrees north latitude. It is just simply a point. Yes, we learned that latitudes are keep on decreasing as they are moving towards the poles. So the 90 degree latitude is only a point, a dot. So same, in the north, the 90 degree latitude, it is called as a north pole, and in the same manner, the 90 degree south pole is south latitude is called as a south pole. Even in the south also, it is only a point. Yes. What will once again see? North pole, the 90 degree north pole latitude is called, and in the 90 degree south latitude is called as a south pole. They are only just dots. The 90 degree north latitude or 90 degree south latitude, these are only a dots. Once again, we will recap these important latitudes. 0 degree latitude, it is called as an equator. And next one, 23.5 degree north latitude, it is called as a topic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south latitude is called topic of Capricorn. Good. Next one, what is this? 66.5 degree north latitude, it is called as Arctic Circle. And next one, 66.5 degree south latitude, it is called as a Antarctic Circle. 90 degree north latitude, it is called as a North Pole, and 90 degree south latitude is called South Pole. We have learned about latitudes and important latitudes. Now we will going to read about longitudes. What are longitudes? These are semicircular lines connecting the poles. See here, so suppose this is the globe. These are the semicircular lines which are connecting the poles, passing through the equator. Passing through the equator, connecting the poles. The lines, semicircular lines connecting the poles, crossing through the equator. Passing through the equator are called longitudes. Yes, every longitude it is taking 4 minutes to move. There are total 360 longitudes. Yes, the 0 degree longitude is passing through the Greenwich. Greenwich is a place near London. Greenwich is a place near London, and 0 degree longitude is passing through the middle of the globe from the Greenwich. It is called as a longitude. Everybody look into the book, Nana. Everybody look into your book. See, these are the longitudes. Are you seeing into your books? See, longitudes. So these are semicircular lines connecting the poles. Yes, all longitudes are equal in length. All longitudes are equal in length. They are semicircular lines connecting the poles. They are passing through middle of the equator. Yes, very good. Now next, these 0 degree longitude are also the 0 degree longitude is called as a longitude, or it is also called as a prime meridian. It is also called as prime meridian or Greenwich longitude. Once again I am telling, 0 degree longitude which is passing through the Greenwich place which is near the London, passing through, and it is a 0 degree longitude. It is called as a prime meridian or Greenwich longitude. Greenwich longitude or prime meridian. So totally how many longitudes are there? From 0 degree longitude to the east, 0 degree longitude, that is Greenwich longitude, to the east there are 180 longitudes are there.